You know that moment right before you leave for a trip, you stare at your closet thinking, I have literally nothing to wear? Yep, I am guilty, I've been there, but this spring I am putting together a spring travel wardrobe with pieces that I'd actually wear, that feels good, is comfortable, but still makes me feel really polished while I am exploring through a new city to help me look good and not feel stressed out at 7 a.m. in the morning. Hello, my Sunny Bays, welcome back. I'm so glad you could make it. Today we're talking about all things spring travel capsule wardrobe, featuring pieces that I would actually wear while traveling. I'm not talking about Pinterest-worthy outfits that may be super cute but are super impractical. I'm talking about real outfits, okay? Those that are super comfortable but still make me feel put together and presentable. These are clothing pieces that are super easy to mix and match, so you can create multiple variations of different looks that are made to withstand walking through the busy streets filled with people, to long agonizing hours at the airport, but then going to brunch the next day and a dinner date. I got all of the outfits covered for you, so just keep on watching. This video is in partnership with Quince, which I'm so excited about. Their pieces totally fit the vibe of exactly what I've been going for these days. Intentional and elevated basics that make me feel effortlessly chic. Of course, in typical Amy fashion, I'll go ahead and try on everything so you can see how it looks on me. In the description and pinned comment, you'll find my measurements, links to everything, details, sizing information, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's be honest, overpacking is a rite of passage, but it doesn't have to be that way. I feel like I've gotten packing down to a science now when it comes to how many outfits I need to pack for each trip, each day. If you want to pack less, stress less, focus on bringing those lightweight layers that are made out of breathable fabric and versatile staples that are really easy to dress up or down. The first outfit is perhaps the most important outfit, I would say, in terms of comfort, is your airport outfit. This is especially important because you are going to be wearing this for hours on end depending on where your destination is. Although I want to be super comfortable, like that is the highest priority here, but I still want to look a little bit like myself, you know? I feel like this is where a matching sweatsuit comes in so handy. I have so many of them that I just typically rotate them as my airport outfit. I have this set by Quince and I am in love with this color. It's so unique. I am a sucker for some cozy fleece-lined quarter zip hoodies, and this one is just chef's kiss. I love it so much. It's super plush and it's very cottony. It has a kangaroo pouch, obviously, and it's long sleeve. Has a really nice, decent hood. In terms of the silhouette, I would say this is a pretty boxy, oversized look. So if you want it to fit a little bit closer to your body, I would size down, but I got it in my typical extra small in Quince, and it fits me perfectly. It fits me how I want it to be. I love how roomy this is, so if I wanted to wear some layers underneath as my base because it's a little bit colder, then I don't have any problems at all. It's not restrictive. I also have their sweatpants, which looks like this, and it has a slight cuff at the ankles. And in terms of the length, it is so perfect on my petite frame. They have really nice deep pockets as well, which is very important when you're in the airport. I feel like when I'm going through security, I sometimes put things in my pockets and I get really scared about the lack of security, but I feel like these pockets are really decent. It has a really thick waistband and it's very stretchy. I love the fit of this. It fits like a very classic pair of sweatpants. I would say in terms of rise, it fits right around like a high mid-rise for me. Not quite high rise, but not quite mid-rise. It's right in the middle. Super comfortable, and you just can't go wrong with an aesthetic sweatsuit set at the airport. Let's say that you land at your airport, you go to your hotel, freshen up, and it is time for brunch. We're strolling around in the city looking for a cute little brunch place to have our first meal, and this is the outfit that I would wear. In this look, I am featuring a classic pair of linen shorts, and it is in this beautiful, vibrant red color, and it is this one right here. And I'm pairing this with just a very simple scoop neck tank top, and it's in a white color, but obviously you can pack whatever color you want. These shorts come in so many different colors, so definitely go ahead and check out the Quince website. They also have tons of linen pants as well, which I have one to feature later. But anyway, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Back to brunch. We are wearing these shorts, and I love these so much because it is a very flexible, elasticated, wide band. It fits high-waisted, which I think is the most comfortable rise on me. They have pockets, which is A++. Linen is a fabric that I'm obsessed with, wearing in the spring and summer because of how breathable it is. It's so comfortable, but it makes you look like you tried to look good in your outfit. You know what I'm saying? Like linen is just such a elegant fabric, in my opinion. I feel like linen shorts in a very bright pop of color like red is such an unexpected surprise in your outfit. It just makes it a little bit more fun, a little spontaneous. Red looks fabulous in photos too, so it'll be very photogenic. I love the fit of these. I got them in an extra small and they fit me perfectly, true to size. The silhouette is super nice and it's very flowy, and I love that for the warmer months. This next outfit actually has me in a chokehold because I cannot wait to wear this when I go on a very like romantic picnic or a daytime outing with my husband. I'm calling this romantic daytime look because I couldn't think of a better name for this look. It is featuring this beautiful white linen dress. If I hold it up like this, it's not gonna do it justice, but obviously you'll see the try on. It has adjustable cami straps, which I love, and a scoop neckline. Has a zipper on the side so you can get in and out very easily. It has this smock detail in the back as well, so it's stretchy. The silhouette of this is so unique. I don't have any dresses like this because it kind of just goes straight down, which I don't have a lot of dresses in that type of structure. I love the seam and pleating details in the middle around the waist because it gives you a little bit of shape. They also come with pockets. We love that. I got this in a white color, so I do have to wear nude underwear underneath. It's not super see-through, but obviously it's white. So I feel like I just make it a habit to wear skin tone color for my undergarments so that I don't have to worry about it being sheer. But the thickness is actually pretty decent, and it does have a extra lining in the skirt area, so it mitigates that risk a little bit more. I absolutely love how this fits on me. I think it kind of falls around the maxi dress area for me. That said, if you are taller, it would probably land around a midi length. Either way, I just think this dress is absolutely stunning, and it's such a good capsule wardrobe basic to have in your closet. If you do get a little bit chilly wearing a dress like that, I would highly recommend bringing a kind of like a cardigan style knitwear, and this is the one that I have on with the dress. I'm telling you guys right now, I have so many favorite pieces in this video that I'm sharing with you. Like this is, oh my gosh, I want to wear this literally with everything. This is what the cardigan looks like, but you can absolutely wear this as just like a sweater top. I love the cuff details on the arms, and it is a pretty boxy fit. I like to have a couple of buttons undone in the front because it gives me a little bit more breathability, I guess. But if you wanted to button it all the way up, it'll look more like a sweater style. It's just one of those items that can instantly make your look super cozy, give you some warmth when you need it, and use it as an accessory over your shoulders. It's just super versatile, and I highly recommend packing a lightweight outerwear like this for your trip because you can just use it in so many different ways. I got the dress and the cardigan in an extra small, and I love the way that size fits on me. The next look, I'm calling it a casual chic outing look. For me right now, when I think of chic spring colors, this is immediately on my mind. Just look at how gorgeous this shade of yellow is. This is made out of their 100% Mongolian cashmere, which is one of my favorite materials from Quince. It is just so soft. I really don't know how they did it, and it's not itchy at all. It's very, like, it's thin, so it's super comfortable to wear during spring and summer, even if it's like technically knit. Cashmere just instantly elevates a look, in my opinion. With this top, the outfit opportunities are endless, but I decided to go super classic and pair it with a light wash denim shorts. Super simple and minimal, but it still looks like you tried with your outfit, you know what I'm saying? And not in a bad way. I just can't say enough good things about this top, and I love the fact that this isn't super form-fitting either. It kind of grazes over the body. I got it in an extra small as usual, and it fits me true to size. The next outfit is for a dinner date, and I'm featuring a pair of trousers that I absolutely love and adore from Quince, and it looks like this, basically. On camera right now when I'm holding it, it looks really plain and boring, but let me tell you, these are the pieces that are going to be your extreme workhorse. Every time I bring one of these linen trousers when I'm traveling, I wear the crap out of them. These ones are so nice and lightweight. It has a elasticated waistband. I mean, look how stretchy that is. That's incredible. They obviously have pockets as well, and the silhouette of this is a straight leg. In terms of the leg length, it is slightly too long on me, so I will have to get these hemmed maybe about 1 to 2 inches off the ends, but I think they're worth paying the alterations for because I wear these so often. I mean, Quince, the prices are so good already, but when you break down the cost per wear for how many times I wear linen trousers during the spring and summer, it just like becomes pennies. They have belt loops as well, so if you wanted to dress it up with a belt, you totally can. In terms of the size, I was debating between a size 0 and a 2 because in Aritzia, a lot of their pants I wear a 2, but I decided to go with the 0. I don't know for what reason, maybe I read the reviews and I'm glad that I went with the 0. They fit me super well. I think the 2 would have been way too big on me. If it helps you out in terms of bottoms, I typically wear an extra small at Alo. I wear a 4 in Lululemon. What are some other popular brands? In Levi's, I wear a 25 or a 24, depending on the style. With those pants, I paired it with this super cute cashmere crop top. Oh my god, it's so stinking adorable. I love this kind of taupey beige color, and the v-neck is really sweet. This is also their 100% Mongolian cashmere, which I said is one of my favorites. When I first saw this, I was a little skeptical about the size because I was like, wow, that looks tiny. But when I put it on, it fit perfect. I got it in a size extra small, and I definitely would not size up because I feel like if I got a small, it would be too big on me. This is also very aligned with that capsule travel wardrobe theme. You can mix and match this top with literally any of the bottoms that I showed you, and it would go perfectly well together. The next outfit is for a wild night out. Maybe not super wild. I don't do wild anymore. When I think of a night out, I always think of a little black dress moment. However, I decided to achieve the same type of look with a skirt and a top, and the top I'm actually wearing right now, I've had this in my wardrobe for I want to say at least a year, and it's going strong. It looks like the day that I got it. It is a very sculpting, body hugging top. I have this in an extra small and it fits me true to size. It has that ribbed texture in a square neck, which is my favorite neckline. With that, I decided to pair it with this silk skirt. When you put these two together, it literally looks like a mini little black dress. Their silk material I am always so impressed by because it looks so expensive. I feel like when it comes to satin or silks from other brands, they can tend to have kind of like an artificial look to them. Like the sheen isn't super natural, but I love the sheen on this. It's not like super reflective where it looks awkward or tacky, if you know what I'm saying. I love how flowy this is, and the waistband is pretty stretchy as well. So I think it's so comfortable. You can also mix and match this top with other bottoms, this bottom with other tops. You get the gist. We get the equation now. I just love wearing a cute mini outfit for a night out. I think it just makes you feel super sexy. And yeah, this skirt is just A++. Highly recommend, and I definitely want to get this in other colors too now. Last but not least, I have this pool day type of outfit. And honestly, this is a dress that you can wear just whenever, like even for daytime strolls or wineries, breweries, picnics. It is this super loose, long maxi skirt that has different tiers. I don't know if you can see that, but you'll see it in the try on, and I absolutely love this so much. When I first got this, I was actually a little worried that it was going to be too large on me, but it fits me perfectly. It's just very loose and flowy, but I think that is basically the style of this look. The reason why I say it's perfect for a pool day is obviously because you can wear this as a cover-up over your bikini or swimsuit. That said, you can just wear a normal bra underneath it and wear it as an actual dress. This goes for all dresses, not specifically for this one, but you can obviously wear a top over a dress to kind of make it look like a skirt situation. I also love this tan color because it goes with absolutely everything. So comfortable. It literally feels like you're not wearing anything because of how loose it is on my body. Even if I'm not going to the pool or the beach, I would absolutely wear this as a standalone outfit with a pair of really cute flats. This is a bonus item that I absolutely have to show you because I am truly in love with these. I got a new pair of shoes and they go with literally all the outfits that I showed you in this video, minus maybe the airport outfit. I probably wouldn't wear these with my sweatsuit, but everything else, fair game. They are these pair of loafers and I got them in this light eggshell color. I love them so much. Look at the buckle detail. It's that kind of antique aged gold. The silhouette is so beautiful. It's not super pointed, it's not super round, which is perfect. I got these in my typical shoe size and they fit me perfectly, so I would stick with your normal size. This is mainly made out of calf leather and the quality is superb. It is so flexible. I don't think you need a lot of time to break these in either, which is amazing. They feel super high quality and sturdy, so I had to show these to you. To wrap up the outfits, I just wanted to show you a couple of other variations that I was able to create with these Quince pieces. As you can see, you can really have fun with it, mix and match different tops with different bottoms, layer dresses with sweatshirts. If you've been wanting to simplify your travel outfits without sacrificing style, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. A huge thank you goes to Quince for sponsoring this video and showcasing all of these amazing travel wardrobe pieces. Everything I styled today will be linked in the description. Make sure to check them out and give them some love. Let me know in the comments where you are traveling next and what is one piece that you absolutely cannot travel without. If you like the vibes here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you join our little corner of the internet. I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.